Hello everyone, my name is Gauri Prakash Sakre. I am from Annasab Dange College of Engineering and Technology, Ashta, in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. Today I am here to represent a topic on argumentation framework and dispute resolution. So, the content is objective introduction, definition, importance, types, application, features, challenges, outcomes, and conclusion. So, the next slide is objective. The objective is a critical thinking, decision making, ethical issues, conflict resolution, dispute resolution method, argumentation frameworks. Then the first one is a critical thinking. To understand the concepts and structure of argumentation framework, to study how argument supports effective decision making and conflict resolution, to examine major dispute resolution methods, negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and litigation, to identify ethical principles and challenges in argumentations and dispute resolutions, to explore the role and the future potential of artificial intelligence in dispute resolution, to develop analytical and critical thinking skills through structured reasoning, to apply argumentation framework in real world fields such as a law, business, and governance. So the next is the introduction of argumentation framework. The argumentation framework provides a structured way to analyze the evaluate reasoning in discussion and debates. It helps in understanding how different arguments supports or oppose each other, leading to logical and fair decision making. Dispute resolution, on the other hand, involves methods like negotiation, mediation, arbitration, and litigation to resolve conflict effectively. Together, these concepts promotes rational communication, ethical judgment, and peaceful resolution of conflict in various fields such as law, business, governance, and international relations. With the governance role of artificial intelligence, these frameworks are evolving to support smarter, faster, and unbiased conflict resolution in the future. So the next is definition. The core definition, the argumentation framework is a structural model used to analyze, evaluate, and organize arguments to reach logical and well-reasoned conclusion. Dispute resolution. The core definition of dispute resolution. A dispute resolution refers to the process of resolving conflict or disagreements between parties through methods as a negotiation, mediation, arbitration, or litigation. Task involved. The argumentation framework is involved in identifying issues, and the dispute resolution is involved in implementing the solution. Next, the importance of argumentation framework and dispute resolution. The first one is a promotes logical thinking, improve decision making, enhance communication, support ethical judgment, encourage critical analysis. So, promotes logical thinking, encourage reasoning based on facts and evidence, improves decision making, helps reach fair and rational conclusions, enhance communication, build clarity, understanding, and respect in discussion, resolve conflict peacefully, provide structural method for managing disputes, support ethical judgment, ensure fairness, honesty, and transparency, strengthens relationship means reduce tension and build trust among parties, encourage critical analysis, develop analytical and evaluative skill, aids in policy and law, useful in governance, legal and business decisions, adapts to technology, integrates AI for efficient dispute management. Types of argumentation framework and dispute resolution. The first one is a negotiation, mediation, arbitration, conciliation, and litigation. Let's see one by one. The first one is a negotiation. Negotiation means parties discuss directly to reach a mutual agreement. The next one is mediation. Mediation means a neutral third party assists in resolving the dispute. Another one is arbitration. A third party makes a binding decision after hearing both sides. Conciliation. A conciliator helps improve communication and propose solutions. The last one is a litigation. Litigation means legal process where disputes are settled in a court. So the next is the applications. The applications is legal system used in a courts and arbitration to evaluate arguments logically. Next one is a business negotiation. Helps in a resolving organizational or contractual disputes. Next one is education and research. Develops critical thinking and analytical skills. Next one is artificial intelligence. Means enables automated reasoning and ethical decision systems. Technology and ethics assist in resolving ethical dilemmas in tech development. The last one is a community and social issues. Encourage dialogue and mutual understanding. So the next is a features. The features is the structured reasoning, transparency, ethical foundation, conflict reduction. So we see the one by one. Structured reasoning organizes arguments logically for clear understanding. Transparency means ensures open and fair communication between parties. Flexibility means applicable to various fields like law, business, and governance. Ethical foundation means promotes honesty, respect, and fairness in discussion. Collaborative process encourage participation and mutual agreement. Analytical evaluation assesses strengths and weakness of arguments. Conflict reduction aims for peaceful and constructive outcomes. Adaptability of AI can integrate with technology for smart decision making. Result oriented focuses on achieving effective and lasting solutions. So the next is the challenges. The first one is a bias and subjectivity. Limited awareness, complexity of issue, cultural difference, time consuming process. What is meant by bias subjectivity? The personal opinion may influence argument evaluation. What is complexity of issue? The difficult to analyze multifaceted or emotional conflicts. Lack of communication skills means poor dialogue can hinder fair resolution. The time consuming process. Some methods like mediation or litigation take long. Limited awareness. People may not understand structured argumentations method. Ethical dilemmas. Balancing fairness and integrate can be challenging. Resistance to change. Parties may refuse to cooperate or compromise. Cultural differences, diverse value and belief affect negotiation outcomes. Technology dependence, over reliance on AI may reduce human judgment. So the next is outcomes, improve decision makings, integration and technology, enhanced communication. So the improved decision making leads to logical, fair, and evidence-based conclusions. Peaceful conflict resolution reduces dispute through structured dialogue. Enhanced communication promotes clarity, respect, and mutual understanding. Ethical and transparent process build trust and accountability among parties. Development of critical thinking strengthens reasoning and analytical abilities. better policies and governance, support informed and balanced decisions, integration with technology, enables AI-driven and data support solution, stronger relationship, encourage cooperation and long-term collaboration, sustainable solutions, ensures lasting outcomes rather than temporary fixes. So the conclusion is the argumentation frameworks provides a logical and structured approach to understand and evaluating different viewpoints while dispute resolution ensures that conflict and managed through fair, ethical and peaceful methods. Together they promote rational decision making, effective communications and mutual understanding in various fields such as law, business and governance with the integration of artificial intelligence and modern technology, the future of argumentations and dispute resolution holds great potential for efficient, unbiased, and innovative conflict management. Thank you.